Hello everyone. Today is a lesson on climate change. First, we are going to deal with a little bit of vocabulary, but most of the lesson we will read a text and answer some questions. So this is more or less a reading comprehension lesson. First thing we are going to do, we are going to start with page 194. Exercise 13, what can you see in the pictures? Write the corresponding word under each picture. Here you have the words and you just have to write them underneath. If necessary, use the internet or a dictionary to find explanations. Not very difficult, I think. Afterwards, you can do exercise 13.2. There you have a description of what you see in the picture and of the different words. So you match the numbers from 13.1 over here. For instance, food that doesn't use artificial chemicals in the growing of plants and animals, that corresponds with number 4 in the picture, which we will call, I'll tell you, organic food. Then we don't do exercise 14 and we immediately go to exercise 15 on page 196. Sorry, I'm a little bit confused. No worries. So here you again, we are going to do something with or say something about recycling. We have a black box, a green box, and a food waste container, and it is the idea that you match the all the rubbish in the correct container. As a kind of rehearsal, in the black box we put paper and cardboard, in the green box tins, cans, glass and plastic, and in the food waste container all the food waste. Okay, in Belgium you know that the green box is the box in which we put other food waste, so sometimes it is different in colors, but here you find the explanation: food waste, tin, glass and plastic and paper and cardboard. You fill those words in, and which items don't belong in any of these boxes. Well, you have 3 more or 2 more items which don't belong in one of these boxes, and you write them underneath here. And then it's time to read a little bit. We are going to read the text about climate change, which is on page 197, and then we also do the exercises that belong to this text, and that is exercise 16.1 to start with. Afterwards you do exercise 16.2 on the next page. Then we go to exercise 16.3 and 16.4 on page 200. You do not have to do exercise 16.5. Okay, that's already the end of the speech I have to give. You have plenty of work, I think, which can be done throughout this lesson. Know that next lesson I will check whether you did all the exercises of today and yesterday. We will correct those exercises and we will have a test about this folder next Friday. I wish you a nice weekend and see you next week. Bye bye.